Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to explore the dimensions of concentration and focus of our mind. We have heard a lot much about meditation and concentration. So today we'll learn this technique in a different way. Let's begin. To enhance your concentration and power of focus, count your steps when you walk. This is particularly strong technique. Take 6 steps while taking a long inhale. Hold your breath for another 6 steps and then exhale for 6 steps. If 6 steps is too long for the breaths, do whatever you feel comfortable with. You will feel more alert, refreshed, internally quiet, and centered after this exercise. So many people allow their mind to be filled with mental chatter. All peak performers appreciate the power of a quiet, clear mind which will concentrate steadily on all important tasks. Learn to meditate effectively. The mind is naturally a noisy machine which wants to move from one subject to another like an unchained monkey. One must learn to restrain and discipline it if one is to achieve anything of substance and be peaceful. Meditation for 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening will certainly provide you with exceptional results if regularly practiced for 6 months. Learned sages of East or our country have been advancing this benefit of meditation for over 5,000 years. Learn to be still. The average person doesn't spend even 30 minutes a month in a total silence and tranquility. Develop the skill of sitting quietly, enjoying the power of silence for at least 10 minutes a day. Simply think about what is important to you in your life. Reflect on your mission. Silence indeed is golden, as a Zen master once said. It is the space between the bars that holds the cage. Enhance your willpower. It is likely one of the best training programs you can invest in. Here are some ideas to strengthen your will and become a stronger person. Do not let your mind float like a piece of paper in the wind. Work hard to keep it focused all the times. When doing a task, think of nothing else. When you are walking, work with entire attention. This is not easy, but your mind will soon understand that you hold its reins and not vice versa. Your mind must eventually become as still as a candle flame in a corner where there is no draft. Your will is like a muscle. You must first exercise it and then push before it gets stronger. This necessarily involves short-term pain, but be assured that the improvements will come and will touch your character in a most positive way. When you are hungry, wait another hour before your meal. When you are laboring over a difficult task and your mind is prompting you to pick up the latest magazine or a movie for a break, what to be done? You get up and go talk to your friend. Curb the impulse. Soon you will be able to sit for hours in a precisely concentrated state. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the greatest classical physicists, the world has produced, once said, "If I have done the public any service, it is due to patient thought." Newton had a remarkable ability to sit quietly and think without interruption for very long periods of time. If he can develop this, so can you. You can also build your willpower by restraint in your conduct with others. Speak less. Use the 60-40 rule, equal to listen 60% of the time and speak a mere 40%, if that. This will not only make you more popular, but you will learn much wisdom, as everyone we meet every day has something to teach us, and also restrain the urge to gossip or to condemn someone who you feel has made a mistake, stop complaining and develop a cheerful, vital, and strong personality. You will greatly influence others. When a negative thought comes inside your brain, immediately replace it with one that is positive. Positive always dominates over the negative, and your mind has to be conditioned to think only the best thoughts. Negative thinking is the conditioned process whereby the negative patterns are established over and over. Rid yourself by any limitations and become a powerful positive thinker. Make an effort to be humorous throughout the day. Not only is it beneficial from a physical viewpoint, but it diffuses tension in difficult circumstances and create an excellent atmosphere where you are. It was recently reported that members of a Toripan tribe of South America have a ritual where they awake in the middle of the night to tell each other jokes. Even tribesmen in the deepest sleep wake to enjoy the laugh and then return to their state of slumber in second. Thank you very much, student. That's it for today. You need to follow all these techniques to enhance your capacity. Good luck.